What's going on, guys? It's Brett again with Brett's Mobile Wash and Wax. Today working with RCC on another detailing video. Today I'm going to be working on this Cayman. I'm going to be cleaning the wheels. The products I'm going to be using are Purple Power Industrial Degreaser, completely full strength, no dilution. And I'm going to be using Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, diluted 4:1, to dress the tires afterwards. To clean the wheels, I'm going to be using something everyone knows, hot rims. It works really well for me. It's really cheap. There's some professional products you could use. Something Meguiar has a wheel brightener. It reacts really well with dust. Everyone kind of has their own thing. Rio's has one. But this is really cheap, really easy to get for me, so this is what I use. So I'm going to start with using the Purple Power Full Strength on the tires. I give it a liberal spraying. Sometimes people worry about the degreaser gets on the paint, is going to damage it. So to be safe, I always spray a little water on the outside of the fenders. So just in case if it does, I can be, rest easy knowing that as soon as I hit the panel, it's automatically diluted. And then if I see it hit the panel, I can spray it off. There's nothing to worry about. So I spray it on the tires, and using a soft bristle nylon brush, I simply agitate it. And you can already see dirt starting to come off it. Then I rinse it off. And you can see all the dirt coming off these tires. I'll always dry it, briefly just see where I am. These are a little dirty still, so I usually do 2 or 3 passes. If it's a super clean or new car and you only need to do 1 pass, do 1 pass. If it's super dirty, a track car, and it's still dirty after 3, do 4, do 5. Like, there's no right answer to this, As soon as it gets clean and you start, you'll see. You scrub it and it turns like that. You can see the color is still a little dark. And after this, I'll probably have to do it 1 more time. Alright guys, I've now done the tire 3 times. I'm going to scrub it 1 more time. And you can see when it's clean, this foam's going to come out much lighter, much whiter. It's not all dirty and grimy. That's how you know the tire is properly degreased and ready later on to dress it. Alright guys, now I'm going to move on to cleaning the rim. Like I said, I'm going to be using Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Helps if it's turned on. I personally use any cordless drill, and then I have a bit on the end. You can get it off Amazon for like 10 bucks. I'll link it in the description below. And it just helps me, especially with big spokes like these where there's not a lot of intricate pieces, to just get rid of the whole tire, get it done in like 30 seconds. Alright guys, the tire and wheel is now completely decontaminated, clean. The tire is ready to be dressed. I use the Hyper Dressing, like I said before, Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. I use it diluted 4:1, which is a more mild shine. If you want it, you can dilute it up to 1:1 to make it extremely shiny. To me, it just seems a little much, so I usually choose to use 4:1. And in 10 minutes, we've completely cleaned, decontaminated, and dressed the tire. Thank you guys for watching again.